Hello everyone, my name is Shruti Ghodekar. I am from Guru Gobind Singh Polytechnic, Nasik. Topic Wireless Power Transmission. Course name Electrical Power Transmission and Distribution. Course code 22419. Guided by Divya Dhagate ma'am. Submitted by Shruti Ghodekar, Khushi Thakur and Pooja Pawar. What is wireless power transmission? The transmission of energy from one place to another without using wires. Conventional energy transfer is using wires, but the wireless transmission is made possible by using technologies. Why not wires? As per studies, most electrical energy transfer is through wires. Most of the energy loss is during transmission. On an average, more than 30%. In India, it extends 40%. Why wireless power transmission? Reliable, efficient, fast, low maintenance cost, can be used for short range or long range. History. Nikola Tesla in last 1819s, pioneer of induction techniques. His vision for world wireless system, the 187 feet tall tower to broadcast energy. All people can have access to free energy. Due to shortage of funds, tower did not operate. Now see this Nikola Tesla.
Types of technologies of WPT. First, near field techniques, inductive coupling, resonant inductive coupling, and air ionization. Second, far field techniques. First, microwave power transmission and LSCR power transmission. Resonance inductive coupling RIC. First, combination of inductive coupling and resonance. Resonance makes two objects interact very strongly. Inductance induced current. Far field energy transfer. First, radiactive. Second, needs line of sight. Third, LSCR or microwave. Fourth, aims at high power transfer, and Tassel's tower was built for this. Air ionization. First, toughest techniques under near field energy transfer techniques. Second, air ionize only when there is a high field. Third, needed field is a 2.11 MV. Fourth, natural example is lightning. Fifth, not feasible for practical implementation. Here is the block diagram of RLC. Inductive coupling. First, primary and secondary coils are not connected with wires. Second, energy transfer is due to mutual induction.
Here we see microwave power transfer. Transfer high power from one place to another. Two places being in a light of sight usually steps. Electrical energy to microwave energy. Capturing microwave using retina. Microwave energy to the electrical energy. Here we see laser transmission. Laser is a highly directional coherent, not dispersed for very long, but gets attenuated when it propagates through atmosphere. Simple receiver, photovoltaic cell, and cost efficient. Here we see advantages of far field energy. Efficient, easy, need for grid, substation, etc. are eliminated. Low maintenance cost. More effective when are the transmitting the receiving point of long time of sight. Can reach the places which are remote. Here we see disadvantages of far field energy transfer. Radiative, needs line of sight. Essential cost is high when lasers are used. Conversion is inefficient. Absorption loss is high when microwaves are used. Interface may be arise. Fried bright effect. Here we see application. Near field energy transfer, electric automobile charging, static and moving, consumer electronics, industrial purposes, harsh environment, far field effect energy transfer, solar power satellites, energy to remote areas, can broadcast energy globally. Here we see conclusion. Transmission without wires, a reality efficient, low maintenance cost but high initial cost. Better than conservational wire transfer. Energy crisis can be decreases. Low loss. In nature future world will be completely wireless. Thank you.